Hi, I'm Jason Stahl along with Nadine Battah, and we're counting down the top 10 branded content stories of 2023. I have a question, Nadine. What is branded content?
I am so glad you asked, Jason. These are sponsored articles written by collision industry manufacturers, suppliers, and service providers, and they provide technical tips and other helpful information on a wide range of automotive topics.
All right, well, let's get started. Number 10 is AirPro Diagnostics offers the most cost-effective, tested, and proven tools guaranteed to reduce cycle time. AirPro Diagnostics discussed how calibrations can be performed in shops with space constraints with AirPro's ADAS tools, including the Augie device, which meets NHTSA standards to ensure a complete and safe repair.
Number 9 is how to recruit employees and attract more customers to your shop. AutoShop Solutions talked about how it's becoming harder and harder to attract qualified employees to body shops and said the solution to finding top talent and getting more customers in the shop is search engine optimization, or SEO.
Number 8 is ADAS calibrations, understanding the why, when, and how. Snap-on discussed how more and more vehicles are featuring ADAS and how the John Bean TruePoint one-stop calibration solution is a very simple and intuitive tool to handle windshield calibrations, allowing the software to guide you through the process.
Number 7 is Abra's approach to high-performance work and workers. Abra discussed how it is essential to have a dedicated team of workers to provide customer service that exceeds expectations and how retaining top talent isn't always easy, but that Abra's commitment to growing and retaining a team of industry experts has been a major contributing factor to the longevity of the brand.
Number 6 is take care of your tools and they'll take care of you. Equalizer Industries told the story of Zach, a young apprentice who didn't quite understand the importance of taking care of his tools and was confronted with the hard lesson about neglecting to maintain his ambush power tool, which resulted in it breaking and leaving him with a windshield halfway cut out of the car that he couldn't finish.
Number 5 is the right ADAS equipment and service info equals productivity and profit. Snap-on told the story about a woebegone body shop that lost a ton of hours and a stash of cash on a simple procedure, all because of not having the right equipment. A Zeus Plus with ShopKey Pro that gives you everything you need to complete ADAS work successfully and profitably.
Number 4 is easy fix for better color match and a more consistent finish. Sem discussed its VCS Versatile Cup System, a new hybrid paint cup system that combines a hard cup with a vented collapsible liner that eliminates paint flow restrictions associated with popular hard cup paint systems and traditional liner systems.
Number 3 is Synchrony study reveals future shoppers seek new experiences. Synchrony Financial discussed the research indicating that consumers are beginning to seek highly personalized shopping experiences that simplify choice and flexibility, and that retailers who focus on shopping as an experience rather than an isolated event will find success if they continue to innovate and differentiate themselves through unique promotions, physical connections, and new technology.
Number 2 is does compressed air affect color match? Exalta discussed how the pressure needed to break up paint as well as the velocity or speed of the air going through the spray gun and to the air cap has been overlooked, and that regulating the speed of the air delivery is critical, especially when using the higher solids base coats of today like Chromax XP, Chromax Pro, Spies Hecker High Tech, and Standox Stando Blue.
And now for the number 1 branded article of 2023, Approach Retention with Intention. Pro Color Collision talked about the Great Resignation, how it has impacted the collision repair industry, and ways to grow and retain your team. Hiring well, onboarding and orientation, employee compensation, training and development, communication, performance feedback, and recognition and rewards.
So there you have it. We'll see you tomorrow when we count down the top 10 news stories of 2023.